In this video, I'll show you how to use Kraken Pro. First, sign into your Kraken account and open Kraken Pro from the main menu. If you're using the mobile app, simply open the Kraken Pro app and sign in with your account. Once you're inside, select the trading pair you want to trade, such as BTC/USD or ETH/USD. You'll see the price chart, order book, recent trades, and the order entry panel. Next, choose the type of order you want to place. For beginners, a market order buys or sells immediately at the current market price. A limit order lets you set the price at which you want to buy or sell. After that, enter the amount you want to trade and review the order details carefully. If everything looks correct, click Buy or Sell to place your order. Now, visit the Open Orders section to monitor any pending orders, or check order history to view completed trades. You can also manage your portfolio and track your account balances directly from the Kraken Pro dashboard. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use Kraken Pro. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.